So, good morning everyone. Ngayon po ay gagawa ko ng video tungkol sa distress, urgency, and safety message sa barko. So, let's go! Pa! Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Puerto. I repeat, this is MV Puerto. Call sign Lima, Alpha, November, Zebra. MMSI 11003 2000. Position, latitude 27 degrees 32 north, longitude 0713 east. My vessel is on fire. I repeat, my vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Pan. All stations. This is MV Galera. Call sign Delta, India, Zebra. Large black tanker appears not under command. It is heading for South Harbor Bridge. It may collide with Bridge Kalumala. Unknown tanker change course immediately. Over. Security. All stations. This is MV Galerian. I repeat, this is MV Galerian. Lima, Alpha, November, Zebra. Navigational warning is thunderstorm ahead. Listen to VHF channel 06. Out.